by storm 2026.
No road.
We really dodged the bullet. All we got is sleet.
Land Cruiser cruising.
Running about 40 miles an hour. He's just so smart.
Maybe because he had to get up that hill. Or that little dip where they always flood.
Well, he should have been in a Honda then, huh?
Oh, don't
There
pull out
you
in
go.
front of us,
Tesla
dum-dum.
pull it. No, it's not Tesla. It's a Mercedes.
No, I don't think it's that either. But I wouldn't know what he's gonna do, but he needs to get moving.
Just pull out in front of somebody. He don't care. Another Honda.
It's a Civic, honey. It's not a Mercedes.
You drive it like it's a Mercedes.
You don't want no issues.
You won't see me criticize somebody driving slow in bad road conditions because we don't know their level of experience.
Sure. I told Kaylee we would park across the street.
Well, I'll drop you off over
But I didn't
there.
know
Alright,
who
this
else
is the
was
end of the
coming.
video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
See you down the road.